How to mention someone in Slack? It's very easy like any other platform. You can simply go to a channel, which is also a group for Slack. Simply tap on a group, then type the hi, and then over here you can see alphabet, emojis, and @. Simply tap on @, and then here you can see everyone channel. Here you can simply tap on everyone, and like this everyone will be notified for the event or for any reminder. Like this you can send, like this you can to assign a task. You can always mention someone in Slack.